We have mics there in the middle. Okay? So kindly state your name and media affiliation before your question. Okay, so you can just go to the mic over there, sir. Thank you. Off ba?
Hello. Yeah. Good morning po. Edwin Ruler for Sportsnet.ph. Kay Sir Richard. Sir, yung edad po ng mga participant, ilan division po ito at kailangan po ba natin magkaroon ng qualifying tournament para magkaroon ng national team?
Okay. For the categories, we have 34 categories. We have the 16, 17 years old, which falls under the junior category. Then the 14 to 15 years old, which is the cadets. And then we have the 12 to 13 years old. Lahat dyan may weight categories, tapos including kata, individual kata. So a total of 34 categories for each country. But the registration started 2 days ago. 2 days ago pa lang, online through Sportdata. So, merong stages yan ng pag-register. The first 2 weeks, only national federation, certain categories lang. As it progress, every week, nag-increase ng categories kung saan ka pwede mag-register. Pero priority lagi ang national federations. At the end of I think the last 2 weeks, pag hindi pa siya puno, let's say ang federation hindi nagpadala ng full 34, yung mga excess nun, in the last 2 weeks ng registration, pwede na pumasok lahat. So meaning, doon magkakaroon ng opportunity, yung hindi Philippine team na dito sa Pilipinas, makalaro rin. Well, it's also the same with the other countries, kaya unahan talaga ng registration.
Sir, yung mga batang karatikas na hindi member ng federation, open po silang mag-participate?
Unfortunately, WKF recognizes only the members of the national federations. So hindi sila pwedeng makapag-register pag hindi sila member ng national federation. So we have a selection this coming March 6 to 8 at the Tagaytay City Velodrome. No? So 3 araw na championships yan. We're expecting about 2,000 athletes from regions 1 up to PARM. So kompleto lahat yan. Magkakaroon kami ng selection for the Youth League and then magkakaroon din kami ng selection for the Asian Games. So doon kami magpipili ng mga atleta ibalalagay namin dito sa parating na Youth League.